So over the weekend I did go by MAXX and I picked up some makeup. So today I am going to be showing you what I got. Well, I did get a few things that I think are really nice, and I am going to start with this. This is eyeshadow from Catrice Cosmetics. I hope that's how you pronounce that. It is Islay. Let me just show you how that looks. There is these three colors. This is like eyeshadow dust. It comes with a little eyeshadow brush, so this is really cool. I got it for €6.99. It was €41 before that. The next item I have is from W7. It is dripping in diamonds. It also says diamonds are a girl's best friend. I don't disagree. It is a diamond highlighting powder and diamond lip polish. This is what it looks like. So there is these two items. This is the highlighting powder and this is the lip polish. I got it for €4.99 and it was initially €15. Next is this cute little eyeshadow palette from Catrice Cosmetics. It's called Clean ID. It's vegan, it's 80% natural ingredients. I think that's pretty cool, and it has these nice colors inside. This is pretty cool. I bought this because I don't have any eyeshadow that I can really put in my handbag, so I thought this is a really good size and really cool colors. Just look at that. I got this for $3.99. It was initially $5.99. Next is this eyeshadow palette from Essence. Yes, this is from Essence. It is Hello Baleen. Let's see what's inside. Oh, look at those colors. I love this here. Yes, I love those colors. I got it for $3.99. It was $6.99. This one is also from W7 and it is called Keep It Glassy. It is an illuminating primer base. Yeah, it is an illuminating primer base. This is what it looks like. I got it for $4.99 and it was initially €10. This jelly highlighter from Maybelline. It is Fest Studio Chrome and it is in metallic gold. This was initially €10 and I got it for $4.99. I also got mascara. This is from Ingrid Cosmetics. I have never heard of this. I had never used it. I have never heard of it anyways. Well, I got it for $3.99. Then I also got a few lipsticks and this is called Lime Crime Plushes. Lime Crime Plushes. I have also never heard about this. Most of the stuff I bought is stuff that I have never used before, so I am really excited to try all of this out. This is so red, it's so beautiful. I can't wait to try this out. I got it for $5.99. It was $19.99. And I got two others from Lipstick Queen. This is Cupid's Bow. Let's see. This is what it looks like. It comes with a sharpener. Yeah, that is what it looks like. I got this for $4.99. It was €25. The other one I also got for $4.99. It was also €25. This is what it looks like. It's a really dark brown, like coffee brown. Is this very nice lip gloss. It is from Milk Makeup and it is holographic lip gloss. It looks pretty shiny I think it's really, really, really nice. Yeah, I can't wait to use this. This was $4.99. I have checked online to see how much they usually sell for, and it is about 23 euros. I also got this pretty big eyeshadow palette. It's from Technique and it is hella gorgeous. This is what it looks like. It is pretty nice. It has lots of colors. It is very nicely pigmented. I got this for 9.99 euros and I'm not sure it's much higher anywhere else, but I really, really thought it's nice, so I got it. I also got this primer. I got it for 9.99 and it usually goes for about 17 euros. I got a 10 pair lash set. I am really excited about this. It is pretty cool. It has 10 pairs of lashes, both nighttime and daytime. I can't wait to try this out. I got this for 17.99 and it usually goes for, I think, 25 euros. Yes, it is from True Beauty. I also got these brushes. These are like it's a mini set of 5 bamboo brushes. It is called Rustic Bliss and it is from Color. I got it for $5.99 and I really have no idea how much it was initially because I could not find that anywhere and it's not on here. But I really love this. I have no brushes for my bag as well, and when I saw this I'm like, yay, finally, good size. I got this facial cleaning brush. It's also from Color. I got it for $4.99. I think I've seen this somewhere else and it was about 7 euros. So yes, this is really nice. It is an eco facial cleansing brush. It does not require any batteries or charging, so it's just like this. I finally got myself an extraction kit. This is also from Color. It is the Skin Glow Toolkit. Yes, it has 3 stainless steel items and a storage casing for them. I got it for $7.99 and I think these are usually about 12 euros, so yes, nice. Finally, I got this turmeric oil. I love turmeric, so I was even really excited to see this and I just had to pick it out. Yes, I can't wait to use it and see how that works out for me. I got this for $5.99. I have not found the initial price, so I don't know how much it was, but I'm pretty excited about it. Well, that's it, guys. That's all I got. As I've mentioned before, these are all items that I have really never used before, so I am really excited to try them out, and if I do, I will let you know along the way in other videos as I try them out. Yes, so that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.